So hello guys, today I'm going to show you all my Nerf guns I have. So this is my first one. It's a Fortnite Scout, and my second one is this one. I think this one's jammed. It doesn't even work because the bullet's stuck. No. Yeah, this thing doesn't work. Okay, this is my third one. This is one of them. This one's jammed. This one is loud. And yeah. And the fourth one is this one. It's like you're supposed to put your arm on like this and shoot like this and keep on shooting from here. And that's this one. I'm gonna come back on. Just gonna go get my other weapon. I can't find it. Well, see you guys next time.